Disclaimer: the information in this video is based on reports available as of now in the media. As this is a rapidly evolving situation, some details may change after the time of recording. We encourage viewers to consult multiple verified sources for the most current updates. Warning: sensitive content. This video contains footage of an ongoing conflict that some viewers may find disturbing. It includes intense scenes and sounds of war. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. This is a special report on the rapidly escalating Middle East crisis. As of April 4, 2026, the region is facing what United Secretary General Antonio Guterres has called a wider war. The conflict now spanning multiple fronts and involving direct state-on-state combat between major regional powers. The direct Iran conflict. The most significant escalation is the direct war between Israel and Iran, which has entered its second month this April. Operation Roaring Lion. The Israel Defense Forces (IDF), in coordination with US armed forces, have launched a massive joint operation to degrade Iranian military capabilities. Recent strikes. Within the last 48 hours, the Israel force has reportedly struck over 400 targets across Iran. This includes the elimination of high-ranking Iranian commanders such as the head of the ballistic missile Kermanshah region. Iranian retaliation. Iran has responded by launching waves of ballistic missiles toward Israel, forcing millions of civilians into shelters. Simultaneously, Tehran has launched attacks on several neighboring Gulf states, including Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and the Jordan. The war in Lebanon. Lebanon has become a primary battlefield following a major escalation in March 2024. Beirut under fire. Israel airstrike hit Beirut south suburb early this morning, April 4, targeting Hezbollah infrastructure. Ground invasion. The IDF is pressing forward with a ground invasion in southern Lebanon. In response, Hezbollah has been destroying key bridges such as the one over the Lycian River to hinder Israeli movement. UN peacekeepers. The situation for international observers is dire. 3 unified peacekeepers were recently wounded in a blast near border. The human crisis in Gaza. Despite the shift in global focus toward Iran, Lebanon, and onslaught in Gaza continues. Death tolls. Local reports indicate that death toll in Gaza has surpassed 71,000 since October 2023. Children's Day. Today, April 4, marks Sober Palestinian Children's Day, which hundreds of thousands of minors living under extreme conditions and facing serious shortage of food and medicine. Global and maritime impact. The crisis has moved a regional conflict to a global economic threat. Strait of Hormuz. Iran has effectively strangled the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most vital oil transit point. This has led to an effective closure of Persian Gulf ports. Red Sea shipping. Combined with ongoing Houthi activity in the Red Sea, global shipping is facing its most disruptive period since 2023 crisis. Ships are being forced to reroute around the Cape of Good Hope, causing global food and fuel prices soar. Summary of the public. The Middle East is currently at a breaking point, with the direct combat occurring between Israel, US forces, and Iran, an active ground war in Lebanon and Gaza. The risk of a total regional collapse at an all-high. International mediation efforts are ongoing, but military operations all sides show
It's
no
easy to
sign
start
of
a
slowing down.
war, but difficult to
That's
get
the
out of
report
it
today. Thanks
by
for
the
watching.
creator or destroyer. J. Mahapul.